Good morning, Western Washington, and happy Tuesday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the forecast for the next couple days here and a look at what we're expecting for Memorial Day weekend. So starting here with the satellite imagery, you can see we have some clear skies across parts of the lowlands this morning, parts of the I-5 corridor there, but there's some more showers offshore. We got lots of low clouds across the area here, including up along the Cascades and most areas from Everett northward and on the coast. Taking a look at the radar, you can see why. We got some showers moving through the North Sound there, and a lot of showers moving into the Olympics and onto the coast there. Some showers moving into parts of northern Oregon as well. We'll see more showers at times throughout the day today, bringing some more rain to parts of the area. Taking a look here at the overall pattern, you can see why we've got these showers. We have this trough to our north here that kind of weakens as we go through the day today, and then we kind of get this in-between between the troughing and the ridging. We got this weak system that moves into northern California, may bring a few showers to parts of southwest Washington on Thursday. Then you can see as we go into Friday and then into Memorial Day weekend, take a look at this ridge right here that starts to build across the area as we go into Saturday and Sunday and then into Memorial Day there. That will bring some nicer temperatures, some warmer weather as we go through Memorial Day weekend. You can see this cuts off Sunday night, but that ridge is still evident. We do have some troughing offshore, though. If we go into the extended forecast there, you can see how that ridging likes to just hang on there as we go into next week with this troughing staying offshore there. Before this ridge may amplify, we get some interesting stuff possibly happening in the extended there. Taking a look at precipitation type, you can see as we go through the day today, we get some more showers across parts of the area, maybe a convergent zone lingering there across parts of northern King County, southern Snohomish County as we go into Wednesday morning. That should diminish. Overall showers should be mostly gone by Wednesday evening. That weak system on Thursday brings a few showers to southwest Washington and northwest Oregon, and then maybe some showers in the mountains there Thursday evening. And then we dry out, and we remain dry across western Washington all the way into the weekend. You can see as we go into the end of the day Sunday there, we get some rain offshore. That does start to move in there on Monday. Doesn't seem to do very much, and then as we go off into the extended, we have some more shower chances, and then some interesting stuff showing up in the extended here as we go into next week. But take that with a grain of salt for now. Things have been bouncing around quite a bit. Taking a look at precipitation totals through this week, so this does not include anything yesterday, but does include from this morning onward. You can see those additional showers will bring some decent totals to the coast, likely a third of an inch to just over a half inch for the coast, and then the interior getting about 2/10 of an inch more, maybe a little bit less than that. Some areas under the convergence zone, though, could get up to a half inch more. You can see areas from Everett northward with more showers in those areas could be getting up to a half inch of rain through the end of this week, though those showers should really wrap up by the time we get to Wednesday or so. Now taking a look at temperatures, this is what we all want to talk about for Memorial Day weekend. So starting here on Tuesday, you can see highs in the upper 50s to low 60s across western Washington. Some of the coast in the mid 50s there. As we go into Wednesday, you can see we warm up a little bit, highs upping themselves there into the low to mid 60s, maybe some upper 60s from Chehalis southward. You can see the coast still in the upper 50s. As we go into Thursday, you can see the coast remains in the upper 50s to low 60s, and on Thursday there from Portland all the way up through Bellingham, you can see those highs in the mid to upper 60s for the I-5 corridor. And as we go into Friday, pretty similar story, upper 50s on the coast, mid to upper 60s for the interior, except it does look like from Everett up toward Bellingham, you're looking more at the low 60s there on Friday. But take a look as we go into Saturday, starting Memorial Day weekend, you can see from Seattle northward highs in the upper 60s, and then from Seattle southward highs in the low 70s, mid 70s around Portland, and then low 60s on the coast. Take a look at Sunday, though. This is going to be a very nice day across the area. From Seattle northward, you have highs in the low to mid 70s. From Seattle southward, you have highs in the upper 70s, possibly pushing 80 in some of the foothills and some of the valleys, and then definitely 80 plus down across the Portland metro area and parts of southwest Washington, low 80s likely there, and the coast even up into the mid to upper 60s there on Sunday. We cool down a tiny bit there on Monday, Memorial Day, with highs in the upper 60s to low 70s for most areas Seattle northward, and then mid 70s from Seattle south, upper 70s around Portland and Vancouver, and then mid 60s again on the coast. Going into next week, we remain in similar temperature regime until we get to about Wednesday. We start to cool back into the upper 60s. But overall, very nice few days coming up, especially for Memorial Day weekend, so that timing is just perfect for those nice warm temperatures. Taking a look now into the extended forecast, you can see this is from May 25th to 29th, so you're looking that final week of May there. You can see we're on a mix of near normal to just slightly above average temperatures for Western Washington. But take a look at the precipitation. This is interesting. We'll see how this plays out. We definitely need more precipitation, so it'll be interesting to see if this forecast from May 25th to 29th ends up coming to fruition with a chance of above average precipitation for basically all of the Pacific Northwest. So thank you all very much for watching. I'll try to get more videos out here next few days. Be sure to subscribe here on Western Washington Weather. Follow me on Blue Sky, on Twitter, and on the Western Washington Weather Facebook group. The links to all of those are in the description. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will talk to you all later.